Granted, comma, it is quite possible that there will never be an oil shortage, comma, that global reserves are healthy enough to last until well after a replacement energy source is discovered. But given that those responsible for measuring the supply have a vested interest in making it appear high, comma, the accuracy of their estimates cannot be taken for granted. That the future of oil may not be as bright as it seems, comma, either to the energy industry at large or to anyone who relies on their computer, comma, their car, or their planet. That